This can create a very significant political makeup. SEC can have very significant changes on its approach this coming administration. So what does that mean? So lahat ng mga pending litigations, including crypto-related cases, okay, this can potentially just be stagnant. If you remember, si former SEC Chair Jay Clayton, so pro-crypto siya, di ba? So pro-crypto siya. So he's going to become a candidate to become a chair commissioner. Okay? So when he becomes a chair commissioner, at napalitan din, nagkaroon ng another Democrat SEC commissioner, papalit kay Commissioner Jaime Lizarraga. So the entire commissioner pool ng SEC is gonna be all Republicans and pro-crypto.